everyone, my name is Sakshi Saregaonkar and today I am going to tell you about the city versus village. It is a non-technical topic for today's video and today's date is 20th December 2023. So the city versus village. City versus village. There are so many things that are differ in city that can be compared and that can be different in the cities and the villages. There are some of the good things that belongs to the city and also some of the bad things that belongs to the city. Also similarly, there are so many good things about the village and so many bad things about the village. So the first thing that differentiated the city and the village is about the education system. In the village there is a and there in the village there is a lack of awareness about the education or the career or the literacy. But in the cities the peoples are more aware about the education, career and the businesses and the literacy. The literacy percentage of the village is much lower than as compared to the cities, because because in the cities the peoples are working working in the various fields, so they are more aware about the various types of the educations, careers and the fields. But in the village the peoples are not much aware about the education. The another concern is that about the girls education. In the cities the peoples are not the broad minded persons, so that they are so that they are not teaching their girls. It means there is a violated about the girls education. But in the cities the peoples are much more in that field of the much more in that field, or in that case of the girls education. The another concern is of the using the digital media. In the cities the peoples are not much aware about the digital media or the social media. But in the cities the peoples are much more aware about the digital media and the social media. The uses of the social media are more in the peoples who are living in the cities, as compared to the peoples who are living in the villages. The village peoples the peoples who are living in the village are more are more in the more in the farmer field, or the small scale businesses. But in the cities the peoples are not much aware about the farming, they are only knows about the businesses, companies, etc, etc. And then in the city there are the much more availability of the hospital systems and the various technologies and the various types of the concerns and the solutions for the medical systems are available in the cities. But in the villages there is not much good medical system is available. But nowadays this all the differences are decreasing day by day, because the people who are living in the villages are also going to be aware, are going to be aware day by day more and more about all these differences, like the education system, hospital system and the social media also. But another difference is that the cities are more polluted nowadays due to the uses of the petrol, diesel and the CNG gases. So the natural environment or the pure air is not in the is not in the city, not in the cities nowadays, but in the villages there is a much more pure, pure environment, and the pure air and the pure nature is there, as there is there in the village there is a less number of the vehicles are used there. The people in the villages mm, are mostly use the cycles for their traveling allowances, for their traveling and the transportation awarenesses. But in the cities the peoples are mostly use the vehicles, and due to the pollution is increased day by day, so there is a no pure air in the in the cities. Also the peoples are aware about, also nowadays the peoples in the villages are also aware about the social media, like the WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And from this the new technologies which are arrived in the current trend are known to the peoples who are living in the villages. Living in the villages. So then also there is the difference in the city and the villages about the people's gesture, posture, body language, and the talking language also. The peoples who are living in the city are more mm, are more talking in the are more talking in their mother tongue language only. They are not much aware about the English, but the peoples who are living in the city are much more about the English language, and they are talking English language very fluently. Also the peoples in the city are use the various types of the vehicle booking apps like the Ola, Uber, Rapido, etc. But the peoples in the village is not aware about the that are not aware about the that they didn't know about these apps till the date. Also in the city there is a also in the city there is a also in the city there is a food delivery, that is the home food delivery is available from the many restaurants and the hotels, but in the city it is not available. mm, it is not available. Also the farming is not known to the peoples who are living in the city from their born day. But the peoples who are living in the villages are much more aware about the farming, and they know all the steps in the farming and all the things about the farming. And yes, of course it is much more important, because the farmers are one of the very important part of our country. So that the we also have to know, and we also have to be much more aware about the farming also. Then there is a much there is also the differentiate between the eating technologies also. Like the peoples in the cities are much more much like to eat the fast food like the pizzas, burgers, and the chats. But in the cities the peoples are more likely to the eat the rotis of the jowar and the bajra. This food is their favorite food. Favorite food. But the peoples who are living in the city, they didn't like that the rotis of the bajras and the jowar. Bajraj and the jowar. Also the stage career, or the talking career, or the confidence level, or we can say it as a confidence level. The confidence level is also somewhat lower in the peoples who are living in the village. They didn't have the confidence on himself or the herself, that if they are the wrong or the right. That means what they are talking, they are not much confident about that thing. But the people who are living in the city are much more confident about the things that they are saying. Mm, they are saying nowadays the people from the villages are. People from the villages are going to live in the cities for the education purpose, for the hospital purpose, and for the much more awareness purposes. So the peoples in the villages are also going to be aware. People in the villages are also going to be aware about the education system, girls education, hospital system, social media, digital media, dice media, also the dice, also talking about the dice media, that is the movies and the songs. The people who are living in the cities are much aware about these things, but the people who are living in the villages, they are not much more aware about these things. The people who are living in the villages, they only have the only have the and the work, because in the farming there is a much more work. But in the city, the people who are living in the city are much more close to the latest technologies and the latest trends that they have to be learned, and they have to be implemented in their real life. So in the in much in very in so many villages, there is a no availability of the trains also. So it should be it should be overcome that overcome to the it should be overcome to the um, overcome to the point that the development in the villages are also very important. The roads are much developed in the cities as compared to the villages. Also the various another types of the developments and the latest trends and the technologies are much more in the cities as compared to the villages. So these are the some of the differences and the similarities between the city versus village. So thank you.